The illegal trade of the life-saving drug remdesivir continues, this time from Panchkula, where a chemist this time has been, in fact, a racket that has been busted by the crime branch in Panchkula. One injection of the drug was being sold for 13,000 rupees in this particular area, and a pharmacist has now been arrested for illegal trade as well. Listen in.
पंचकुला पुलिस को एक गुप्त सूचना प्राप्त हुई थी कि एक व्यक्ति जो है वो कोविड की जो एक ड्रग है रेमडेसिविर के इंजेक्शन जो हैं उसकी कालाबाजारी कर रहा है। तो ये तुरंत जो इस मामले में जो हमारी क्राइम टीम है सेक्टर 26 की, वो हरकत में आई और उन्होंने जो ड्रग कंट्रोलर हैं उनसे संपर्क किया और एक हमने जॉइंट टीम इसमें गठित की और उस जॉइंट टीम के माध्यम से एक डिकॉय कस्टमर को भेजा गया और ये पाया गया कि जो रेमडेसिविर की निर्धारित कीमत सरकार द्वारा तय की गई है उससे कई गुना अधिक संख्या में ये व्यक्ति जो है उसकी कालाबाजारी कर रहा था और ये भी क्लेम कर रहा था कि वो इसको किसी भी संख्या में ये उपलब्ध इंजेक्शन करवा सकता है और लगभग 13,000 रुपये की कीमत वो बता रहा था कि जिसमें वो उपलब्ध करा सकता है, जबकि सरकार द्वारा निर्धारित की गई कीमत जो है वो लगभग 3,000 से 5,000 के बीच में है।
Let's go across to my colleague Amandeep joining us over the phone line. Amandeep, once again we are seeing this massive crackdown by the Panchkula police this time. A pharmacist who has now been arrested for black marketing of the life-saving drug remdesivir, which was being sold for as high as 13,000 rupees an injection.
Exactly, Rija. This is very shocking and disturbing news just because when the entire nation is fighting against the COVID and everyone is helping each other, and now these people are trying to make money out of this situation when the crisis of this life-saving drug. Now the Panchkula police is further investigating the case. They are trying to break down the chain of this nexus just because he is not the only person involved into this nexus. And in fact, now the interrogation of that person is on to bring more names, how people are involved, and in fact how they are getting this life-saving drug, and even what is the further nexus to sell it out worth rupees 13,000. That is quite high from its decided prices. And in fact, the Panchkula police is now further investigating this case. This is very big exposure, and in fact needs to be exposed, and the further names should be come up so that the people who are actually trying to make money out of this situation, they need to be exposed and legal action will be taken against them. That is the deserving situation. That's it. Just itself.
All right, thank you so much, Amandeep, for getting us that update. We'll keep closely tracking all the developments as far as the story is concerned.